Rochelle, Orr-Lee. It's hot out here. It was kind of cool this morning, then all of a sudden, whoosh, heat. So if I start sweating, don't mind me. I just wanted to come out here real quick and show you guys this nice house that's being renovated in the city of Richmond. Oh, hold on. I found some shade for a second. All right, there we go. Just wanted to show you guys this house in the Barton Heights area being renovated. It's gonna look gorgeous once it's finished. So the project is just starting. So I just wanted to show you guys this house real quick. Hope you guys are having a cool day. But let me show you this house. It's about 2,350 square feet. Gorgeous. It's gonna be gorgeous inside. I love these old houses. This was built in like the 20s. But once it's done, you're gonna wanna live here. So if you know anybody looking to buy or sell in the city, let me know. This house should probably be finished in the fall. So that's the plan. So if you'd be interested or know anybody that's moving to the area, Richmond, please let me know. I can give them some information about this house, or if you might be interested in this house or any other house in Richmond, Henrico, Chesterfield, just let me know. I'm here to help you. So this heat, man, I'm telling you, this is gonna be gorgeous when it's finished. I love these old houses. The houses in this neighborhood are being renovated as we speak, just to revitalize Richmond and the surrounding areas. So that's exciting to me. But if you anybody looking to buy or invest, we need sellers still. So if you're looking to sell, or if you know anybody that's possibly in a tough situation and needs to sell their house, just give them my information. I can be reached at 804-512-7523. Or if anybody's in the process of buying and needs assistance, I can help with that as well. So like I said, I just wanted to get on here real quick. I know I haven't been on here in a minute, but I just want to show you guys this house. And as changes happen, you know, I'll keep you updated on some of the renovations and things that's happening and when the house will be ready to go. So again, give me a call, 804-512-7523. See you guys soon. Bye.